Everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25-inch Android screen, Android 8.1 version in a BMW X5 that it already come with the backup camera, but customer was not happy with the quality of the camera, so we install our aftermarket camera. So as you can see, that's how the unit looks like with ID6, and this is Android 8.0. As you can see here, it says Android 8.10. So that's the latest model that we have with 2 gig RAM and 32 gig hard. And you can use the knob to go left and right, use the iDrive knob without any problem. And you can go to car info, same as usual, goes back to the factory iDrive, touching the screen goes back to aftermarket mode. The response of the unit is super fast. Video is as usual is there, so you can play use video on our USB that we install in the glove compartment. You can play videos from there, and also you can browse online. That's our website. That's the latest model, Android 8 version, so you can browse as simple as that. And the other cool feature that we have right now, so you can basically use the Apple Carplay by going to AutoKit. It shows the Apple Carplay that I'm using connected to my phone, and that's the USB dongle. That's a black version. It's a new version of the Apple CarPlay, and you can see the BMW logo there, and Google Maps is there. We can go to Waze, or we can use Siri for the phone. You can see you have the keypad here. You can see your contacts, and also Spotify is there. We can play songs through Spotify. You can adjust these settings on your iPhone. Basically, you can move around all these icons, and whatever you don't want, you can remove it from the first page, move it to the second page, and by clicking on BMW logo, it goes back to the other side of the menu. And you can play video, watch video even while you're on drive. And by going to reverse, it shifts to backup camera. That's our backup camera aftermarket compared to the factory one. It's amazing, and you can see comes with dynamic parking guideline. And the cool thing about it, customer can switch back and forth from aftermarket camera to the original camera. Here I'm choosing aftermarket camera. I can go back to the original camera. So by going to reverse, goes to original camera, which is the quality. As you can see, it's not that great. So we set it back on the aftermarket camera, and it screen is fully touch. You can use touch or you can use the iDrive. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call and get them installed at 905-604-4294. Thank you and have a great day.